brushes that I'm going to brush your face with, okay? Hear that? They are quite soft, so don't worry. Okay, let me just start with this one. Just one, just one, just one. Alright, now let's try two. Let's try two. I'm just gonna press it on your face. Like so. Just gonna press. Just like that, okay? Just like that. Now it's gonna get a little bit harsh, okay? One sec. This is the deep brush. One more time. Now I'm all done touching your face,